Hi, I'm Chase Prober with Abacus CPAs. Thanks for joining me today. At Abacus CPAs, we put great value on giving our clients the best guidance so that they can make smarter decisions. Whether you are a current client or not, I hope this tutorial on cash expenses can help give you that guidance. When you sign up to work with Abacus CPAs, we're able to track some of the deductible expenses that you will come across on your settlement. For example, the fuel that you are putting on your COM data card will show up on your settlement each week and will be tracked throughout the year so it can all be deducted when we file your tax return. However, expenses that are purchased using your cash, debit or credit card, or check or money order will have to be recorded on a monthly cash expense record or reported on the annual tax organizer in order to be deducted. The IRS considers any expenses for the business that are ordinary, necessary, and paid for out of your own pocket as tax deductible. For these expenses, you will need to keep your receipt and record the expense on either a driver cash expense record or the annual tax organizer in order to be deducted. Because these expenses will not be recorded on a settlement, you must track and report these expenses on your own so that we can properly deduct them from your tax return. For you to properly document these expenses monthly, you will need to store the receipt for your records and write down the expense in the proper category on a driver cash expense record. For example, if you were to purchase 2 pairs of safety gloves for $10 each, you would then store the receipt and then write down the cost of the gloves under the safety and weather gear portion of the driver cash expense record. You will also need to add other deductible expenses you incur throughout the month, such as a cell phone bill, lumper fees, and your number of days out on the road in order to claim your daily per diem and have them deducted at the end of the year. For more information on which expenses fall into which category on your driver cash expense record, please watch the cash expense record video. Please make note that you are not required to keep receipts for items that would count toward your daily per diem, such as meals or personal hygiene items. Other expenses, such as laundry costs, you may not receive a receipt for, but can still deduct without that proof of purchase. We recommend that you purchase a receipt book, which is a deductible office supply, to help track expenses that you may not normally receive a receipt for. In summary, some expenses are tracked through your settlement, but not all expenses are. If you pay for items out of your own pocket for the business that are ordinary and necessary, you're able to deduct them from your tax return. You also need to remember to keep the receipts for your deductible items. And that is the conclusion to our tutorial on cash expenses. Please understand that the examples I gave today are just examples and may differ based on your personal situation. We would be honored to help you with your specific situation. Please feel free to give us a call at 417-380-5000 or check out our other tutorial videos on our YouTube page or at abacustrucking.com.